Good morning all of you. Very good morning to each and everyone, right? Yes, my students, right, we are discussing number series topic now, right? So last concept we discussed. Yes, now see now one more letter series we are discussing right now. Letter series. Letter series we are discussing, yes. Letter series. A series of letters will be given in a particular pattern or a particular rule. You need to find out next letter where the question mark will be given. There you need to find out, yes, what the next letter. I will give questions to you and I will give options also, right? Yes, my students, right? Now the first question is here ADIP. What you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, my students, let me know what is the answer here. A series of letters are given here with a particular pattern or a particular logic or a rule. Yes, what is the answer for the next one? I will give options to you. Yes, first option is yes, and the second option is T, and the third option is X, and the fourth option is Y, and the fifth option is Z. Yes, my students, right. What is the answer here? Yes, T, X, Y, Z. Yes, ADIP, P, and the question mark is given. Yes, ADIP, a series of letters is given with a particular logic or pattern, and you need to find out, yes, what is the next question mark here. Yes, my students, right. ADIP question mark. Yes, I think all of you got it. What is the answer here? So A means the letter 1, this is 4th letter, this is 9th letter, and this is 16th letter. In the alphabets, if you write as A equal to 1 and B equal to 2, C equal to 3, D equal to 4, and so on, if you go Z equal to 26. So the letters and the place values, if you take here, A is the first value, B is the second, C is the third, D is the 4. So E is the 5, F is the 6, S, G is the H, 7, H is the 8, I is 9. So letters and place values, if you take here, you are getting this. What is the logic here? Yes, my students, what is the logic? What is the answer here? Yes, many of you I think got an idea. Yes, somebody is asking, tell again, see once here, a logic pattern is given here. Let us given ADIP, what is the question mark? So you take as A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, alphabets given place values from 1 onwards, D equal to 4, E equal to 5, F equal to 6, G equal to 7, H equal to 8, I equal to 9. Like that, if we take all values will get up to Z equal to 26. These are the place values and the letters. What is the logic here? Yes, what word you will get the next series? What you will get in the place of question mark? This is 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. The next you will get 5 square. So what is 5 square means 25. What is the 25th letter in the alphabet? 25th letter in the alphabet. Yes, my students, right? What is the 25th letter in the alphabet? 25th letter is Y. So answer is Y. Yes, my students, I think all of you got it, right? So answer is Y. 25th letter we given as answer. Why? Because 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Squares of the numbers of the natural numbers from starting 1 onwards, they are giving 1 square after 2 square, after 3 square, after 4 square, after 5 square, after you will get 6 square, like that. Yes, my students, I think all of you got it. One more example I will give, right? What is the logic? Somebody written A, D, I, P, somebody written one logic. Once you see, this is first letter, fourth letter, difference is 3. This is 9th letter, difference is 5. So, this is 16th letter, difference is 7. Yes. So, 3, 5, 7. What you will get here? Difference. Yes, my students, right? So, 3, 5, 7. Okay, this is a prime number, prime number, prime number. Next prime number is 11. So, 16 plus 11 is 27. Is not there here. Somebody written that? Yes. Yes, you need to find a perfect logic. Yes, accurate logic you need to find. Yes, I will give one more example to you, right? Yes, my students, one more example, right? Now, see one more example I am writing here. BD. BD, yes, BD is given here and EH is given, EH. And one more example, IM is given and question mark is there. And one more thing is given, TZ. What is the question mark place? I will give options also. MT is the first option, MT, and the second option is here, NT, and the third option is here, NS, and the fourth option is here, MS, and the fifth option is here, OS. Yes, what is the answer here? Yes, my students, right? The pattern should be in a proper manner. Yes. BD, EH, IM, TZ. Suppose if you take here, the first letter is B, the first letter is E, the first letter is I, and empty place, the first letter is T. I am taking the first letters in the given series. These are the first letters B, E, I, question mark, T. So, second letter, fifth letter, 9th letter, and this is 20th letter. What is the difference you see? Plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4 plus 4, yes. So, plus 3 plus 4, if you take plus 5, what you will get? 9 plus 5, 14, means N. So, 14 plus 6, that is 20. So, the first letters are going on in the series of plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and plus 6. Take the second letters D, H, M, question mark and Z. The second letters are going on here. This is 4th letter, 8th letter, plus 4. So, this is 13th letter, plus 5. So, plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 if you take here, 13 plus 6, 19th letter, that is S. So, plus 7, 19 plus 7, 26th letter. Yes, we got here N and we got here S. So, answer is NS, third option. First letters are going on in the series of plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. First letters are going on plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. And the second letters are going plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Yes, my students, right? So, first letters are going on in one series and the second letters are going on in another series. So, answer is NS. One more example I am writing on the board, right? Once you see. ZU, EB, JI, question mark, TW and YD. So, options also I will give what you will get in the place of question mark you see. PO is the first option and the second option is PQ and the third option is OQ and the fourth option is here OP and the fifth option is here OR. Yes, my students, what answer you will get once you see. What is the pattern they are following here? What is the pattern they are following? ZU, EB, JI, question mark, TW, YD. So, what you will get here? Z, first letters if you take here, Z, E, J, question mark, T and Y. This is the first letters. First letter series. First letter series. So, what is the first letter series if you take here? This is 26th letter, this is 26th letter, if not we can take, yes, 26th letter, and this one is E, means we can take 5th letter, if not we can take 26 plus 5, 31st letter we can take. Yes, right. Now Z, E, J, T and question mark. Yes, my students, what is the first letter series? If we take here 31st letter, we can take here 26 plus 5. So plus 5, we can take 31 or 5th letter. Yes, plus 5. 10th letter plus 5. So if you take plus 5 again, 15th letter you will get. So that is 15th letter means O. Again plus 5, 20th letter. Again plus 5, 25th letter. So to E letter, letter E means we can take as 5th letter or we can take as 26 plus 5. 31st letter or we can take as 26 plus 26 plus 5. Yes, my students, we can go for like that any number of ways. Generally E 5th letter according to alphabets. We can take 31st letter, we can take 26 plus 26 plus 5, we can take 326 plus 5, any number of times we can take, right. Now plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, series is going on plus 5, answer starts from O. So this is not required, this is also not required because answer starts from O. So 3 started from O. Now the go for second letter series, U, B, I, question mark, W, D. So this is 21st letter and we are getting here 21st, second letter, or we can take 26 plus 28th letter we can take. 21, 28 means difference is plus 7. So 2, 9th letter plus 7. So series is going on plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Next one is plus 7. So 9 plus 7, 16th letter means P. So answer starts from OP, answer is OP. So plus 7, 16 plus 7, 23. Yes, plus 7, 23 plus 7, 30th letter or 4th letter. 30th letter or 26 plus 4, we can take 30 or 4. We can take 2 or 28. So as you like, right. So first letters are going on plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 and second letters are going on plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 like that. Series is going on. Yes, my students, right, very good. An explanation, nothing is there, you take the first letter series Z, E, J and so what is the difference you find out. So difference is going on plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So the year O. Take the second letter series U, B, I, question mark, W, D, second letter series going on plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So like that if you do, here O you are getting, here P you are getting. So answer is OP. Yes, my students, right. Now one more example I will give, right. Yes, now see one more example. Yes, XPJF, what you will get the answer I will check. XPJF, XPJF. Yes, my students, right. What is the next one? Yes, I will give options to you. First option is A and the second option is B and the third option is C and the fourth option is D and the fifth option is none of these. Yes, my students, let me know what answer you will get here. Yes. Yes. X means we can keep the letter as 24, P means 16, we can keep J means 10, F means 6th letter. So, what you will get the next letter place? The series is given 24 X, 16 P and J 24 10 and F 6th letter and question mark. What you will get? Yes, my students, right? What is the difference between this one here? 8. It is a even number. 8 is a even number. Yes, what is the difference here? 6 is a even number. 8 is a even number. 6 also even number. So, it is going on decreasing way. What is the next even number? Is 4. And the next even number you will get as 2. So, 6 minus 2, 4. That is answer D. Many of you written answer as D. A-N-E question mark I-E-V. What you will get in the place of question mark? Answer first option is O and the second option is yes and the third option is T and the fourth option is R and the fifth option is W. Yes, right. So, what you will get in the place of question mark? A-N-E question mark I-E-I-V, right. See once here, if you take here alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, yes, M, 13 letters here. So, N if you write here N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What they written once you see? What they written once you see? Yes, yes, once you see. A-N is written here, opposite letters is written. E-R, E-R, opposite letters, yes. Next one I-V, I-V, opposite letters. Yes, my students, right. So, we divided the alphabets into two parts and opposite letters are taken as pair. A-N opposite letters, E-R opposite letters, I-V opposite letters. So, here you will get R. Many of written R only, right? Yes, we can do in another manner also, right? Yes, my students, right? Opposite letters. We divided the alphabets into two parts and the opposite letters are taken as a pair of letters. So, A-N pair means opposite letters, E-R and I-V. Yes, my students, right? I think all of you got it right. One more example I will give. One more example. Letter series we are doing now. Yes, letter series we are doing now. Right. One more example I will give. Right. I think all of you got it right. Yes. Yes, my students. Right. One more example I will give. Right. L-I-B. Yes, my students. Right. M-O-C. And N-U-D. And PAE and one more QEF and question mark is given. What answer you will get here? Yes, my students, right. I will give you options. First option is SOG, second option is given POG and the third option is given here RJH. And the fourth option is here SJH and the fifth option is here RIG. Yes, what answer you will get here? Let me check your messages, right? What is the logic here? Yes, my students, right. What is the logic here? LIB. Suppose if you take the first letters, second letters and third letters. First letters, okay, what are the first letters? If you take L, M, N, P, Q is given. See once here, first letters if you take, first letter series if you take, what happens here? L, M, N, O is missing. So, L, M are consonants, O is missing, they written P, Q. So, what you will get? R you will get. So, answer starts from R. First letter series if you take here, see my gentlemen, somebody Somebody didn't understand. Once you see, take the first letter series L, M, N, O is missing. In the English alphabets, 5 vowels are there, A, E, I, O, U. O is missing here. So, only consonants they are taking, L, M, N, O is missing, P, Q. So, next one R. Go for the second letter series. Yes, my students. What is the second letter series here? Second letter series. Second letter series. Second letters series. I, it's a vowel. O, it's also vowel. U, it's also vowel. A, it's also vowel. E, yes. We are having A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U as vowels. They started from I. I, O, U, A, E. I, O, U, A, E. Again you need to start I, O, U, A, E only, because we are having only 5. Okay. I, O, U, A, E. Again you need to start I only. So, the next one you will get I. The next one you will get I. Yes, my students, right? Now see. A, I, O, U, Y, E, I, O, U, A, E, right? Yes. The third letter series if you take, third letter series. What is the third letter series you see? So, B, C, D, E, F, continuous letters. There is no break. Vowels are consonants now. First one is consonants is taken. Second one vowels is taken. Third one only is taken letters 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 you will get, that is G. So, R, I, Z, where it is there you see R, I, Z, option number 5. You divide as first letter series, that is consonant series. You divide the second letters, that is vowels. You divide third letters, that is continuous pattern from second letter onwards, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, these are vowels I, O, U, A, E. A, E, I, O, U we are having, but it started from I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E. Yes, third letters are continuous letters. R, I, Z is the answer for given question, option number 5. C, D, E, H and question mark is given I, P, K, T, M, X. Yes, my students, what answer you will get here? I will give options to you. Option number 1 is FM. FM. Option number 2 is FL. Option number 3 is GL. And option number 4 is GM. And option number 5 is KM. Yes, my students, what answer you will get here? Yes, somebody is asking consonants means, see once here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and so on. Here A is A, E, I, O, U will be called vowels. And B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, all these are called consonants. Except these 5, remaining all letters will be called consonants. Yes, my students? Yes. Yes. What is the first letters pattern and what is the second letters pattern? First letters pattern and second letters pattern. See once here, first letters you take C, E, question mark, I, K, M. So, this is third letter, we are doing only first letter series. First letters I taken in the series, third letter, fifth letter, the difference is +2. Here 9th letter and 11th letter, the difference is +2. It means that a constant difference is going on. So, +2 and +2, yes, +2 means 7th letter will get, that is, 7th letter means that is G. So, again +2. So, difference is going on in a constant manner, +2, +2, +2 and +2. This is the first letter series. First letters in the series, I taken on the first letters. This is going on. So, answer is here G. Second letter of the series G, D, H, question mark, P, T, X. So, this is fourth letter, eighth letter difference is plus 4, and here 16th letter, 20th letter difference is plus 4. I think here also constant difference is going on, plus 4 you will get. So, 12th letter, that is L, GL. Yes, many have written third option. GL, option is going on GL. First letters are going on plus 4 difference, sorry, plus 2 difference, and the second letters are going on plus 4 difference. Yes, my students, I think all of you got it, right? Tell me what is your another method? Tell me. Yes. Yes, gentlemen, what is your another method? Tell me. You got another method means tell me, right? Very good. Yes. Yes, gentlemen, what's your another method? I'll check your message, right? Many of you will get many different ideas. You can use your own ideas, but from first to last, only one pattern should be there. Any logic can use, but first to last, the same logic should continue. Yes, my students, right? Yes, one more example you write. So, what is that one more example you see? MTD, yes, MTD, NSA, and PVE, and next one PVC, and next one SXF, and RYE. What is the next one? Yes, question mark is there. Yes, my students, MTD, NSA, PVE, yes, PVC, and SXF, RYE. What you will get in the place of next? Yes, try to get the answer, we can discuss now. Yes, options I didn't give, right? I will give options also, right? Yes, what are the options you see? Options are here, VXY, first option, VXY, first option, VXY. First option. Second option is here V. If you take the first letters pattern, M, first letters pattern, first letters if you take here, is the first letter, N is the second letter, P is the third letter, P is the next letter, and S is the next letter, and R is the next letter, and what you will get here? Yes. So, what is the series here? Two P's are there, then you need to think in a different manner. Yes. Then you need to think in a different manner. M is 13th letter, P is 16th letter. Yes. Now see, any alternate letters are going on, M, P, S. See, this is 13th, this is 16th letter plus 3. So, this is 19th letter plus 3. So, this is again 19th letter plus 3 means you will get 22nd letter, answer starts from V. Alternate letters. Yes. Now see, M, first letter series I taken here, all the first letters I taken, two P's are there here, then you need to think in a different manner. Alternate letters M, P, S, so 13, 16, 19 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 27. Answer starts from V. Answer starts from V. So, this is not required, this is also not required. So, go for the second letters. What is the second letters pattern? Second letters pattern. Alternate letters we are taking. Second letters pattern if we take here. So, D, T, S, V, again V, X, Y, and what you will get here. So, alternate letters we are taken here, 20th letter, this is 22nd letter plus 2. So this is 24th letter again plus 2. So again you will get plus 2 means 26th letter, that is Z. So answer from VZ. Answer starts from VZ. Yes, this is also not required. VZ is here, VZ is here. Now, what is the third letter series? Yes, my students, what is the third letter series and what is the answer here? Yes, D, third letter series D, A, E, C, F, E, like that is given. Yes, yes, my students, right? D, E, F, direct answer only. D, E, F, next one, F after letter, that is F, G. Yes, so where it is? V, Z, G, right? Option number 2. Here is given first letters is given alternate letters. So because two P's are there, immediately you think that P how becomes P means plus 0. So it's not a little different. So alternate letters are there. That you need to think, right? Yes, one more example I'll give, right? Yes, one more example. Next one is given A, B, D, H, A, B, D, H. And what you will get in the place of next letter? Yes, my students, right? So answer is L, answer is first option L, second option N, third option is R, fourth option is P, and the fifth option is Q. What answer you will get here? Yes, my students, right? A, B, D, H and question mark. By seeing the question itself, you will get an idea plus 2, plus 4 like that, but the option is not there in the options, right? So yes, my students, right, very good. What answer you will get here? So this is first letter A, B, D, H is given. This is first letter. Into 2 is second letter. Into 2 is fourth letter. Into 2 is eighth letter. Into 2 is 16th letter. So that is P. Yes. So thank you all of you. Tomorrow we can meet with the numbers and letters mixed concepts we can do. Now separately we did letters, separately we did numbers. Tomorrow we can go for numbers and letters mixed series we can do. See, today we did letters and previous classes we did numbers. Tomorrow we can do numbers and letters mixed series we can do, right? Yes, my students, thank you all of you. Tomorrow we can meet.